So the first thing you can take for this 9-figure store and apply to yours is how they're optimizing their homepage for the high conversion. There are two things that you can take from this homepage and apply to yours. The first one is how they have the image banner that communicates what is the current promotion that they're running right now on their website. The thing that stands out on their home banner is this word free. Free is a very powerful tool to grab the attention because it communicates to your visitors that they will get something without the cost. And when it draws that attention, you can see the next thing that it communicates is that this is a limited time. Then below you have no code required, limited time only. So this now communicates the urgency that this will not be able forever, right? Which makes your visitors act now. So it's always a good idea on your homepage to have what's your current promotion so that the new and returning visitors can see what is the current offer and therefore take the opportunity of it. Now the next thing about their homepage is how they have the best sellers also shown above default. So regardless if you are on the mobile or the desktop, you can see it's always seen above default, and this acts as a visual cue so that the viewers know that there's more to scroll, more to see, and therefore they start engaging with this page and start exploring other products. Now when you scroll down and let's say we want to explore this product, one very important thing that you can take from their product page is how simple and easy to digest this product page is. Because this page is so simple and easy to digest, it reduces the bounce rate, so the percentage of people that just leave your product page and therefore go back to the social media. If your page is hard to digest, that will increase the cognitive load of your visitor. They will get overwhelmed, and for that reason they will find it way more easier to go back to their social media and continue scrolling their feed. Most of the time when we have optimized the product page to reduce the cognitive load for our clients, we have seen an increase in the conversion rate and therefore increase in the returns, and especially if you're running the Facebook ads, because people when they land from your Instagram to your product page, they want as seamless as possible experience because this is the type of content that performs very well on the Instagram. So for that reason you want to make that experience very congruent to the platform that they're coming from. Another thing that you can take from it, you can see how the add to cart button, which is the main call to action, just stands out, which makes it very easy to understand what is the next step if they want to add this product to the cart, where they should actually click, and for that reason it makes it much more seamless experience for them and more people will proceed on adding this product to the cart. Now another thing that is really important here is how they are enhancing their images to increase the perceived value. So in this example we have this lip balm, but if this image was without these strawberries it would be just boring and dull, but with these strawberries they are doing the technique which is called the sensory association. It adds the freshness and juiciness to this product, and for that reason they can kind of sense how this product will feel before they buy it. It helps the prospect feel the product even before they buy it, and for that reason this is how they're increasing the perceived value, so how much the customer feels like they're going to get when they buy the product, and therefore more of them actually buy it. Now another thing they're doing is that they're using the color swatches, which just completes that visual story with these images, and therefore it makes it more easier for customers to choose the right option, and it also increases the perceived value and how much people actually want this product. Another thing that is very interesting is that although they're selling a very cheap product, they still have the pay in installments feature, and this helps their customer just pay it more easily in more installments. Another thing that is also very good is that they're using this at the bottom, which is see it in action. It adds the social proof but in the form of the Reels and TikTok. When you click on each of these you can see how it looks. It looks very native to the platform, like an UGC type of content, and for that reason they're bringing the social proof but in the form of the social media, so when the people land on this product page they can feel that congruency between the social media and the page that they're looking at. And having a social proof on your above default section is one of the most important aspects because most of your visitors don't scroll past above default, so for that reason you want to always show that other people trust you and are enjoying your benefits, so most people see that and actually get persuaded by that message and place the order. Optimizing your product page is something that you can get in my resources completely for free, so if you're interested to get my free trainings and resources, click the link down in the description where you can get all these resources on how you can optimize your e-commerce store for a higher revenue and profit. Another thing on this product page that is very important when it comes to increasing your average order value is that just below the fold you can see they have this section which says save in sets, and what they're doing here is essentially they're bundling together complementary products so that people buy more of this and therefore they get to profit more from each sale. What's also very well done is that you can see how they're maximizing the clarity, so when you hover on each of these product images you can see it says what is contained in this bundle, so for that reason the visitor can just easily click on this add to back button and therefore add this whole thing to the cart without worry or what's contained in the bundle. So this is very important when it comes to the clarity and making sure that your visitors understand what's contained in the bundle. Now, another thing you can take from this is how they have a very well optimized mega menu navigation. So you can see when you hover on each, this makes exploration of other products very easy and seamless. And when you find the product that you want to add to the cart, all you have to do is click on this button, add to bag, and you will see it's added to the bag with the cart drawer, and this is where they actually get to increase their average order value even further. So at the top they have this free shipping threshold that says that you're $16 away from the free shipping. This works very well because it provides your customers with an incentive to spend more so that they can justify it in their brain that they have bought because they have gotten something for free. Now this thing works very well if you have it paired with the next thing, and this is the cross sales in your cart drawer. All you have to do is just to click on this add to bag, and now it's added to the bag, and now you can see you qualify for the free shipping. So the free shipping threshold, if you give your customers an offer that they can reach the free shipping thing, you always want to give the means to your customer to achieve that free shipping thing. And one of the easiest way to do is to have the cross sales in your cart drawer. It's also very important to make the exploration of other products very easy like they do. So for that reason, it's just not going to be painful to find the right products in order to receive that free shipping thing. Now that's it regarding this video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you like the help of my agency with growing your e-commerce revenue and profit without increasing your ad spend, check the link down in the description, book a call with me where you will get a free consultation on what's the best strategy for your e-commerce store to grow your revenue and your profitability. And if you like this video, you can check this playlist in which I break down all these great stores and what you can take from them and apply to your store in order to grow more easily.